after we uploaded our last video, someone commented, Stephen Patrick commented on our video and asked for our account details. Immediately, I think 5 minutes later, he sent something inside the account. Later on, we ordered for video recording kits, which message was sent to us by Jumia today that is already at their office. So I woke up, dressed up, I went straight to their office, but because of the issue I'm having with my car, I was unable to take it along, so I had to take a public vehicle, which I was afraid at first. I was afraid, but later I entered and I noticed that the bus was empty a little bit, so I was happy. So I got to the venue. I was happy to see a Jumia office looking so beautiful. I was given the package. I checked the package to see if everything is intact, so I noticed everything is good. So I packed it back and went back home straight. Some of the crew members were already waiting for me at home. We unveiled the thing together and they were happy. I was happy. So Patrick, thank you very much. We're happy. Thank you for believing in us and thank you for supporting us. So we meet next time. I mean that.
Just got a delivery from Jumia right now. Stephen Patrick really appreciates your efforts, for your contribution in our skit making and our everything, sir. Thank you very much. God bless me. So these are everything now. And you can see it.
We are looking good.
Yeah, you are growing up. Just a bit more.
Everything is set.
Albao.
This is everything. Really appreciate once again, Mr. Patrick. So, just remember something like us, just coming up.